So the agenda of this program is to load the data from a flat file into an internal table, and from internal table again we have to load the data into screens. So we are going to focus only on getting the data from flat file to internal table, and for this we will be using a notepad file. Let's take a notepad file here. We will create a notepad file, a simple notepad file. This will move it to the internal table using GUI underscore upload. This is a function module. So what are we going to do is we are going to get the data from notepad to internal table using a function model called GUI underscore upload. GUI underscore upload. Fine. So let's do that now, and let me first build a flat file and then we'll start. So and I'm randomly giving some data like employee data. So we have 1000, then we have so let's say we have this as employee number 1000, tab, I'm using tab here, employee name, tab, department, just three simple things. So again I have tab here, employee number is J, department is SAP, 1001 home SAP, 1002 Ali, ABAP, 1003 Ali, BW. Okay, I think we'll save this. Let me use this in the C drive. I'm saving it in C drive. As I just saved it in a C drive, D drive. Sorry, I've saved it in D drive. Now, whatever drive that we have saved, so that needs to be accessed later. So we have now created the flat file. Okay, this needs to be uploaded into our internal table. Now, how do we do that is what we'll see now. So here we are writing something like ZPA underscore EMP upload. I'm writing a program called EMP upload create. This is employee data upload. Let's give a program. Object. Here I'll first build a structure with those three fields: types, begin of st underscore emp, end of st underscore emp, data it underscore emp, type standard table of st underscore emp, w underscore emp, type st underscore emp. Now what we have to do is we have to add the fields here: employee number 10, employee name 20, department. So these are the fields that we have here. Then we'll go ahead with pattern. Upload it as GUI underscore upload. So we need to write something like GUI underscore upload. Say OK, and this the file name is file name that we have here is the file exact file name where I have stored it. I have stored it in D drive. And capital letters D drive. emp underscore data is the file name. emp underscore data dot txt. Dot txt is mandatory, and then we need to have the file type is American Standard Code and field separator is hash, and header length is 1. Means what we are saying is the first row that we have has header, means it is not actually data. If you see the file, in the file we have given employee number, employee name, those are text, so those are not data. That's what we are saying. Header length is 1, and the table name that we have is it underscore emp. Now what are we doing here? The function module takes care of picking up the data from the flat file and loading it into an internal table. Now what we are supposed to check is, we're supposed to check whether the data has been uploaded properly or not. So for that, what we'll do is we'll write loop statement, loop at it underscore emp, w underscore emp, and loop write w underscore emp hyphen emp and loop. Name department. Okay. So say this syntax check, activate, and execute. So header not allowed. So this is the data, but employee number, employee name, department. So employee number, employee name, department happens to be the header, and the values are 1000, 1000, 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So this is the data which is directly been picked up from the flat file and being shown to us in the on the screen. So this is this concept is to get the data from database, the local system that is called presentation server to our SAP system. Presentation server to SAP system. Okay, so yeah, for Notepad it's not working. So let's now go ahead and do the similar thing for .csv file. So basically, whatever flat file that we have, the Excel sheet, normally we'll get the data from Excel sheet, right? So Excel sheet data has to be stored as .csv file. Okay, I'll just show you that. So when I open an Excel sheet, I need to save it as .csv file, and then you can make use of that. Let me show that. So I have this data in this particular post. So loading data from Platform. So here you can also see that I've provided the flat file as well. You can copy this flat file into the notepad, save, and you need to give that location, whatever location is there, we need to give it here. Okay. If you like this video, do not forget to click on like button, and also please do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you.